Yo, what is going on, guys? Sucks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to hit the link pinned in the top of comments and linked in the description to download Moomoo and deposit any amount to get up to 10 free stocks worth up to $2,500. There's literally no reason not to. You will also get access to options, trading, going short, free level 2 data so you can see where people are loading up, dropping off, access to viewing other exchanges so you can tell how kind of our stock market will open, etc., etc. There's no reason not to do so. Make sure to hit that link. Today, guys, we are going to be going over AMC, the Citadel lawsuit, and what you can expect for this week moving forward. We also have another glitch going on Stonko Tracker. Let's get right into the video. Alright, guys, so Citadel Securities loses lawsuit against Flash Boys. Okay, so we're going to go over this real quick. Dave Lauer posted this. No speed enters the picture when a securities national NBBO, National Best Bid Best Offer, changes. Providers must update their orders to reflect that change. To do so, providers send electronic messages to the exchanges. Those messages often arrive faster than the blink of an eye. Still, the updates are not instantaneous. It takes a moment for an update to reach exchanges all over the country. That moment is called latency. During that latency, certain high-frequency traders, which Citadel Securities uses, can take securities at old stale prices just before the updated prices reach the exchanges and then turn around and trade those securities at a newly updated NBBO. Okay, that price is actually called latency arbitrage. The high-frequency traders that engage in such latency arbitrage are extreme short-term investors. That's because they seek to end each trading day with the same investment that they had at the beginning of the trading day. Okay, guys, so this is the point of this whole delimit order, the lawsuit between IEX and SEC, between Citadel and IEX. Okay, so pretty much latency arbitrage, this is to prevent that. So this doesn't really affect you guys unless you use delimit orders as of now. But you can see that the SEC did acknowledge latency arbitrage, and then the court found that SEC's findings that IEX delimit protects against latency arbitrage to be substantial. And Citadel's arguments do not convince us otherwise. Huge step forward for retail investors and institutional investors, and a huge step forward. Shout out to Dave Lauer and just all the community that supported this last year to get a push on this now. So now that that's out of the way, we're going to close out these tabs, and I want to go over a few things. So for the numbers, Stonko Tracker is showing 0 calls in the money, 950,000 shares available to borrow. On AMC, 11,000 calls expiring in the money compared to 9,000 puts. A dub on the option chain. Short exempts creeping down a little bit here. GameStop is showing 0% of the free float DRS. Now, if you've been checking this, it is about just to hit 50%. So I don't know if it hit 50% and now there's some sort of glitch going on. All of that gone. Just glitches are just not likable. I don't like these at all. So 0 shares registered. That's scary. 135 million shares remaining to be DRS. 20,000 to 32,000 calls to puts expiring in the money. We lost on there. 11,000 short exempts also creeping down on GameStop. Now, I want to get into the chart aspect real quick, and I don't want to make this video long. What we've been tracking is both of these time frames. This was 39 bars back here before this move, and we're expecting the same thing. With that being laid out, you're expecting something to play out August 3rd-ish. We're coming into that box August 3rd. Okay, so right on August 3rd, we're coming into this range where heavy volume can pick up. And if you guys don't know, Q2 earnings is on August 4th. Okay, so when we do come in this box, it will be interesting. But until we get there, what are the price predictions on the way there for Monday and Tuesday? Okay, because those are the trading days we actually have until we enter this zone, enter this box. Okay, so we have a cycle played out that we've been tracking, but we also have it inverse laid out. And the reason we have it inverse laid out is, let me close this. Let me actually, let's see, this is the inverse one. Let's take that out. The reason we had it inverse laid out is because when this actually did play out, this part of the cycle did play out inverse, and that is why we didn't really see that rip that we were waiting to see a bit earlier on AMC. This leads me to say between Monday and Tuesday, as the market does its thing, as people are prepping for Q2 earnings, this thing is going to probably ping pong anywhere from $16 to $14. And I know that's a big range. That's a $2 zone. That's a $2 range. But the reason I say that is because if you take this cycle and flip it, you're going to see that no matter what, One of these cycles closes out the day on August 2nd around $16 or $14, depending on if it plays inverse or not. Okay, so this is going to be whipsaw. I personally wouldn't play any call contracts, put contracts on this options in general, as I do think you're going to get $2 whipsaw in one or the other direction, preferably the 16. And the reason I say that is because we are already bouncing off of 14 and we're pretty close. So I'm shooting more towards $16 range by Tuesday, and then we enter that zone to get the next big move. Overall, that's just my quick outlook on AMC for the price prediction. I don't want to make the video extremely long, and I didn't really chart out GameStop as there's nothing else to chart out on GameStop. It's been tracking perfectly fine. With GameStop, you should expect a big pop over the next couple days. That's in my opinion. I expect Monday, Tuesday, GameStop's going to have a large, decent pop. I could be wrong. I'm just a guy. That is it, guys. Make sure to hit the like if you haven't already, and press the link down below as it does help me out and help you out to get you free money. That is it. Make sure to subscribe, as only 70% of people are subscribed, or actually aren't subscribed, and we're almost at 6K. That is it, guys. Peace.